Hello friends, today we are going to solve a question problem of linear search. This is our first question problem. Before this question problem video, we already created a theory video for linear search explanation. I already explained all about linear search, what is linear search and why we use linear search. Now in this video, we are going to explain this question problem. Find an element in an array using linear search. So let's write our program. So first we need to create public class find element, or our public class is always be sms your file name because we are using Java. So public class find element, and inside this class we create a method first. So our method name is public static int, and your method name is linear search, and parameters int array and one target value in target. Okay, go inside this and now write your logic. So use for int I equal to 0, I is less than array dot length, array is less than and equal to array dot length, and I को update कर देंगे I plus plus, and check if array index is equal to target value that you wanna hit, and return if target found at particular index. We will return which one, that is index, that particular index where our element is available. Otherwise we will return -1. Okay, if element is not found, then we can return -1. Now move to man method. So you already know that how to write man method. Man man method public static void man, and create scanner class object, scanner class object, scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in semicolon, and import scanner class. Press enter, is imported. Okay, import scanner. And this is the syntax you always know when you are using linear search, because most of the time we use SAM syntax. Okay, now write your man program. So create an array, create an array is equal to, let's take elements, that is 20, 23, 25, 34, 36, 37, 50, 74, 78. Okay, these are our elements that we're gonna use in our array. And now mm, let's take our target value as an input. So target, just print enter target value, and remove this ln because it will move us at the next line, and we do not want that. And this is our integer type value int target equal to sc dot next int semicolon, then find index. So int index is equal to our linear search array and target value. Okay, then print that. Okay, make a logic if index is not equal to -1 means our index is not equal to -1 means element is available on it. So if that is available, then print element found at index colon and write your index. plus index, it will return index in this our element is available, else system.out.println, and right here element not found, simple as that, and close our sc dot close semicolon. So this is a way to use linear search to find any value. Okay, so now run this program and let's check is it working perfectly or not. Enter target value. Our target value is, let's check our array. Okay, we're gonna target 37. So target 37, 37 is our target. So this element is available at index 5, element found at index 5. And when we write any wrong element that are not available in this array, so let's try to do that. Just like we wanna target 89 and press enter. So this is giving us an error. Element in thread man. Why this is giving us an error? Array index out of bound. I know that, but this is not the right answer because we use as statement also. ये array index out of bound error इसलिए दे रहा है क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे equal to भी यूज कर लिया है, क्योंकि always भी less than होना चाहिए array की length से. Now try to run this again and target value is 33. I think 33 is not available, so it will return us element not found, and this is not giving us any error. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if this video is helpful for you.